Hey YouTube creators, whether you're just starting out or already experienced, we all share the same goal: to grow our subscribers and views. And let's be honest, creating high-quality content takes a lot of time, energy, and creativity. But even after all that hard work, getting the views and subscribers you deserve often comes down to one thing: the YouTube algorithm. In 2025, the YouTube algorithm is more advanced and more unpredictable than ever. It's no longer just about making great videos. It's about making sure your videos get discovered. That's where SEO comes in, search engine optimization. SEO means uploading content that speaks the language of the YouTube algorithm. When your titles, tags, descriptions, and thumbnails are properly optimized, you give your videos the best chance to be seen by the right audience at the right time. This is where I come in. I'm Zaman, a YouTube SEO expert with years of experience helping content creators grow organically. I've worked with new YouTubers, professional creators, and small businesses to increase views, reach more subscribers, and build powerful online presence, all through smart SEO. For example, one of my recent clients saw their traffic double in just a week, simply by applying my keyword strategy and optimizing their titles and thumbnails. And you can too. If you're a dedicated creator but your videos aren't reaching enough people, I'm here to help. Let's work together to optimize your content for success. Using my proven strategies, you'll start seeing results in just a few days. I offer a free consultation to discuss your channel's specific needs and show you how SEO can change your channel's performance. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, a YouTuber, or a small business, this is your chance to level up. So if you're ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level, contact me today. Let's unlock your channel's full potential together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more valuable tips from the YouTube SEO Hub. Let's get started and make your videos shine in the YouTube world.